state-of-the-art and media-only event at Silver Dollar City announcing the new ride that replaces the Lost River. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's coming, and we get to go out on site as well. This is Amy with TPF Trips, Places and Fun, where we show you how to have fun and exciting family-friendly adventures. We are here at Silver Dollar City for the announcement we have all been waiting for. We are going to find out which ride will replace the Lost River, and there is a lot of excitement, a lot of anticipation. We'll give you an inside sneak peek right now.
Coming to Silver Dollar City in 2020, Mystic River Falls. The tallest drop on a raft ride in the Western Hemisphere. Get ready to embark on a family-friendly river rafting expedition. Explorers will ascend over 8 stories onto an elevated river channel before plummeting down a 4.5-story waterfall. It's the wettest splashdown in our 60-year history. The greatest adventures lie ahead. Mystic River Falls, the tallest drop on a raft ride in the Western Hemisphere, rushing your way. Summer 2020, only at Silver Dollar City.
So the exciting news is that the new ride is called Mystic River Falls. It's going to have the longest drop on a water ride in the Western Hemisphere. It's going to be incredible. And we also heard about Rivertown, which is going to have an amazing new smokehouse barbecue restaurant, and we get to sample the food today. It's really exciting. We weren't expecting to get a whole meal here, but we got all sorts of fun things to eat. And come here, we'll show you the sign for Mystic River Falls. So here you have all sorts of props. You can take your picture with the new sign announcing Mystic River Falls.
Come on up.
All right.
Blue ring. We have a red ring, too.
I'll take the blue one.
Okay. There you go. 2 oars?
Get the other one, too. Put the other one on her.
Oh, my. Okay.
Yeah. Heck yeah.
All right. Mystic River Falls coming summer of 2020. We are so excited. And I guess this is all the gear that you have to have in order to ride it. Just kidding. All right, so this is all the awesome food that they're bringing to the new smokehouse barbecue.
We'll show you. We'll show you on our trays, but
we'll show you on our tray the awesome food. But here's and you actually use the trays here as your plates, which I thought was kind of innovative. But here, we should go around this way so we don't get in people's pictures. And so behind me eating are a bunch of members of the media, community leaders who they invited here today to have the first look at everything that's going on, and then of course sample all the awesome food. We will be going on an ATV ride shortly to go down to the construction site and tour it all firsthand, up close and personal, so that's going to be fun.
But these fans
Okay, so we got all sorts of barbecue. We've got pulled pork. I've got turkey over here. We've got brisket and ribs, and then we've got coleslaw, 3-cheese mac and cheese. This is, I think it looks like quinoa salad, beans, corn salad, a little bit of everything. It looks amazing. Definitely was not expecting to eat a big lunch this early, but I'll take it.
Hey, pull out that thing out of your backpack and show them.
Oh, this?
Oh, this is brand new this year. I already ate mine.
So they are coming up with all sorts of cookie butter, and so here, this is Pearl's cookie butter Sammy. Looks yummy, and they have cookie butter ice cream for dessert. All right, so we're walking to the construction site. It's a little bit faster than waiting for the ATV. And we had to wait for the train to pass first. So this is the new Pumpkin Nights Trail that we're walking on right now, which will take us over to the construction site. So we're going to head over to Rivertown and see what we can see. So here we go. Here's the Riverfront Playhouse over here. And here we go.
We have been looking at this fence for the last many months.
We've been looking through little peepholes and little knots in the wood for the last, I don't know, since they opened in March. And now here we are actually getting to go behind the scenes. So exciting.
Really good.
Thank you. Ooh,
Here we are.
they've gotten a lot done.
They got a big banner up there.
Mystic River Falls. Brave the tallest drop in the Western Hemisphere. So this will be the tallest drop of any raft ride in the Western Hemisphere. Now beating out SeaWorld in Orlando, right?
Infinity Falls, I think.
Now beating out Infinity Falls, which we just did recently. We have a video, a whole ride through of Infinity Falls, if you want to see what that drop is like. All new area Rivertown. Nearly half-mile journey, more than 5 minutes long, an 82-foot tall lift tower, elevated river channel more than 6 stories tall and 100 feet long. The tallest raft ride drop in the Western Hemisphere, 45-foot drop. That's awesome. And the new Rivertown Smokehouse. This looks so exciting. And look, we are here. Here we are, taking a look at this construction site. Total investment, $27 million. Mystic River Falls, $23 million, and Rivertown Smokehouse, $4 million. And over there is Fireman's Landing. You can see the balloons going around. It's very exciting. It feels so cool to be behind the scenes and to finally hear the announcement and just know that it's going to be amazing. I can't wait to ride it in summer 2020.
It's hot, isn't it?
It's very hot.
We were at Worlds of Fun all day yesterday.
Yes, and it was 100 degrees there, and now it's about 90 here and humid, super humid. So we're pouring sweat, but it's worth it. It's worth it. So do you think that's the Riverfront Smokehouse, the Riverfront Smokehouse?
Yep.
So over there is Brad Thomas. He's the president of, and he's being interviewed, and he's talking about how in the last decade they have invested $100 million into making Silver Dollar City what it is today. So they just keep pouring resources back into this park, and it shows. We hope you are as excited as we are about Mystic River Falls coming to Silver Dollar City in summer of 2020. We can't wait to be one of the first ones to ride it and follow along with us. There's also a lot of other exciting things happening at Silver Dollar City, including Pumpkin Nights, which will be completely family friendly, starting in September and going into October. And then we have the new Christmas tree that will be on the square that's 8 stories tall. So it's been 5 stories, add another 30 feet to the top of the former Christmas tree, and that's what we're gonna have. It's gonna be awesome. Join us, follow along, safe travels everyone.